everyone, comb the hair into place and then divide it into sections. Start off by taking the front section and then clip the rest up. Make 3 rubber band divisions as such. Then taking a portion of the hair, start to make a braid. Include sections of the hair from the portion that was initially tied up and include it from the part that is before the central parting. Once you are done with this, make a normal braid out of it and tie a rubber band at the bottom. For our next hairdo, take a small portion of the hair from the center of the scalp and tie a rubber band to it. Then, taking the front section of it, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include sections of the hair that is closer to the face into your braid. Once you are done with the sections from the left side, begin to take small sections from the central section that you had initially created. Make sure you have divided the section into 2 parts initially, and as you progress, keep including portions from the division that you have made. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 4 sections. Make 2 ponytails on either side and make 2 braids at the bottom. Now, taking the ponytails, add multiple rubber bands to it and roll it upwards. Tie it up in its place as such. It should look like a bow. Now tie a decorative rubber band or a ribbon to it. Do the same on the other side. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail to it. Add a decorative rubber band. Now, start off by combing the hair into place and then take a section from the front. Using your comb, take another section from the front and then make a ponytail out of it. Make a braid from the lower portion of this. Make a braid from the top portion as well, and as you progress halfway through this braid, begin to include sections of the hair from the central parting. That is, central parting inwards. Do the same on the other side, and once you are done with this, tie a ponytail. For our next hairdo, comb the hair into place and then take a section of the hair from the top center. Now begin to braid the hair and add sections of the hair from the left and the right side into this braid. Make sure that these sections are really narrow. Make sure that the braid is also firm and tight. Tie a rubber band once you are done with it. You may add a decorative rubber band or a clip to the bottom. Roll the braids upwards once you are done. For our next hairdo, keep 4 rubber bands in handy on your thumb finger and add them in the front as such. Then take a division of the hair and include it into a braid. Braid the hair normally and include all the sections of the hair in order to do so. Once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it and there you have your hairstyle. Do the same on the other side as well. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the front and clip the rest up at the back. Take 2 really narrow sections of the hair from the front. Start by twisting one of the divisions of these sections. Now take another division of the hair from the front and include it into this twist. Once more, twist it in the opposite direction and include it. Repeat this step multiple times until all of the sections of the hair are done with. Once you are done with this and once you reach the bottom, you may take sections from the rest of the scalp and include it to form a braid. Tie it up with a rubber band once you are done. Thank you for watching.